Grounding rod, be the best and most economical grounding solution. High-level tanks and water treatment works are often located in exposed positions. Significant accumulations of water and metal structures with the potential to ground essentially involve a higher risk of lightning strikes. Even metal roofs increase the risk of lightning strikes. Lightning protection measures are therefore indispensable since the dependability of the water supply is a prime consideration. To avoid a power failure, ensuring a trouble-free operation of production facilities, conversion, transformation, transmission, distribution, and consumption of electrical energy is essential. This is ensured by several factors, including the organization of high-quality grounding and grounding rods, corresponding to regulatory documents. One of the main objectives of the grounding system is to establish a common reference potential for the power supply system, building structure, plant steelwork, electrical conduits, cable ladders and trays, and the instrumentation system. In other words, grounding is necessary not only for the operation of electrical machines and devices but also for the functioning of the automation and electronic devices that contribute to the management and control of work processes, protection of electrical installations from damage in case of accidents and malfunctions, and to prevent accidents themselves. A grounding system with good quality grounding rod plays a vital role in discharging lightning current. It dissipates all the lightning current into a giant mass of soil. A typically grounding rod such as rod by leg is deeply driven vertically into the soil. Soils have finite conductivity, so the current discharges quickly. The mixing of grounding augmentation fill, GAF, is done in a soil pit to decrease the resistivity of the soil. Our grounding rod, rod has proven to be the best and most economical grounding solution. Apart from these superior grounding products, we also offer a ground audit system, Smart Ground. It gives practical recommendations on improving the grounding system while adhering to the IEEE/IEC standards. The lightning protection systems for water protection and wastewater treatment systems should be incorporated into the site's construction and feature an intermeshed earthing or grounding system. Along with this grounding system, strategically placed, appropriately designed, and installed surge arresters should be added to ensure the best defense against lightning and surge events. Contact LEC and transform your grounding system into a high-performance ground.